Hello, my name is Arghya Deb Sikder, ID 252-15613. Let me start with a simple question. When was the last time you learned something from your textbook versus your phone? The answer is obvious, right? Today's social media isn't just for entertainment anymore. It's quietly reshaping how we learn, how we teach, and how we connect with knowledge. In this presentation, I will show how social media has moved education beyond traditional classrooms, the opportunities it creates, and the challenges it brings, and what's the future it might look like if we get it right. Education is no longer limited to four walls. There are many aspects behind traditional education. First, connected learning. An incredible 96% internet enabled students now use social media for learning and connection. That means learning is already happening where students spend most of their time. Second, real time connection. Platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube allow students to ask questions instantly and share resources and learn from one another in real time. And finally, flexible education. Learning now happens anytime, anywhere. Formal education blend with informal learning, whether that's watching an explainer video at night or joining a discussion thread after class. One of the biggest strengths of social media is collaboration in education. Through peer learning, students are no longer limited to classmates in the same room. They can collaborate globally, share perspective, and learn from different cultures. With teamwork tools like Google Classroom, social features support group project, discussion, and shared problem solving. And there's creative expression. Media like videos, notes, podcasts are encourages students to think creatively, communicate ideas clearly, and develop critical thinking skill instead of memorizing information. Beyond content, social media helps students build skill they will need for life. First, essential digital skill. Students develop digital literacy, communication skill, and online collaboration skill that are crucial in almost every modern career. Second, source evaluation. Students learn how to navigate massive amount of information, question and credibility, verify sources, and engage responsibly online. And this has become more formalized. Emerging social media literacy law are starting to bring the skill directly into social curriculum, recognizing that digital competence is no longer optional. Interestingly, many teachers are not restricting the challenge, they're embracing it. Educators are using Twitter debates, Facebook groups, video presentation to immerse students in the way that feel familiar and motivating. Social media also helps teachers to connect with their parents and fellow educators, sharing resources, idea, and support beyond the classroom. That said, balance is key. Teachers continue to face the challenge of integrating technology while maintaining focus, structure, and meaningful learning. So, what's the future look like? Social media is shaping education into dynamic, interactive, and inclusive learning ecosystem, not just tool but an environment. However, success depends on managed risk. With the right education, politics, and digital literacy, we can harness the power while minimizing the harm. If we do this right, social media can become a catalyst for lifelong learning, supporting curiosity, adaptability, and continuous growth. Thank you very much for your time and attention.